Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a YouTube video using the YouTube application on your iPhone. So if you're losing internet connection or something like that, you can go ahead and plan ahead and download videos. So let's go to the YouTube application, select this, and then just locate a video. So let's go to one of these videos. So we can go to this one right here and select it. This is a short. I don't think we can download shorts at all, but we can go to this person's channel and then go to their videos and just download one. So let's tap their little profile icon, go to videos, and there's some videos on here that are like 10 minutes long. Let's go to one that's only like 3 minutes long. Okay. So I won't be able to watch the video because I'm currently using some sort of like streaming device, but you can see where we have a thumbs up and a thumbs down. We can go with our thumb and scroll on over to the right. And there's an option now to download. So let's go to download. And then we have two options, medium, 360p, and it'll give you the file storage to 28 megabytes. And then we have low, 144 at 9 megabytes. So if you're listening to like a podcast, just go with the low. Probably really doesn't matter how great the quality is. But if you want to pay for higher quality, you can go to premium and you can pay for that, where you can get full HD at 1080p or 720p right there. But you can actually do this without having premium now, which is nice. So I can just go to low. Let's go to just low right here and go to download. And it's download. Downloads remain available as long as your device has internet connection. Okay. So we're downloading here, and I have the option to pause or delete it. And it's just about done. You can see it right under the video. And once that's done, we should be able to watch the video offline. So if we go back now to the main application and go to where it says You. So you see shorts, subscriptions, You, tap this, and you can see your videos downloads right here. And then you can watch the ones that you've downloaded. So it's at 74% right now. And it gives you recommendations on videos to download, like here's Mr. Beast. We tap this, we should be able to just start downloading this. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.